Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Roblox identity is ready. Sign in, confirm your email, and turn on 2FA so you can join restricted experiences. Once done, install or update the Roblox client on your device and log in. Next, search for Palm Beach Studios on Roblox, open the specific game page, and click Join Group or Favorite. This signals interest and reveals developer notes. Make sure to read the place description for required roles, passes, or external Discord links before proceeding to the next steps. You now handle the detailed execution. Join the Palm Beach Studios Discord if listed and accept server rules so moderators can assign roles. That role often unlocks private servers or testing places. Then follow any application process, fill forms, complete linked tasks, or play required tutorial maps to prove you understand mechanics. If the developer requires a game pass, make the purchase or follow verification steps. Otherwise, use the free verification role. Make sure to keep your Discord username matching Roblox where instructed to speed approval. You're at the finish line. Click Join on the game page or use the private server link provided in Discord, then allow Roblox to launch. Once inside, pick your team, set voice/text permissions, and follow on-screen admin instructions to fully enter events or testing. If you can't connect, try the quick troubleshooting step. Log out, clear browser or app cache, reinstall the client, and verify network stability. If problems persist, contact the devs or moderators with screenshots and error messages so they can whitelist or diagnose your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.